Finance Breakers put together this video to keep you updated on what's going on in the world of finance. It brings together news, analysis, and reports from a wide range of online resources, to provide you with the most up-to-date information about the global financial markets, empowering you to make better informed and more responsible investment decisions. Before we begin, if you enjoyed watching the video, please share your thoughts by clicking the like button and writing them in the comments section below. If you subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell, you will be among the first people to find out when new videos are published on the channel. So let's just get started. Nasdaq closes 1.04% lower at 10,542.10, hitting its lowest close since July 2020. S&P 500 falls 0.75% to 3,612.40, dragged down by semi-stocks and dips in major tech names like Microsoft. Dow Jones drops 93.91 points, or 0.32%, to close at 29,202.88. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon warned the US would likely fall into a recession in 2023. Germany plans to urgently implement a €96 billion, $93 billion plan to ease pressure on consumers from surging gas prices. If adopted, the plan would be paid for by a €200 billion relief package, Chancellor Olaf Scholz's government announced last month. Germany needs to cut consumption by a fifth to get through winter and beyond without rationing. The first stage of the break would cut the gas price to 12 cents from March through to the end of April 2024 on 80% usage. For large industrial customers, a price break of 7 cents is to apply to the procurement price from January 2023. PayPal was hit with a backlash after posting a policy notice that would penalize users for promoting misinformation. The company later said the updated policy was published in error. Google searches for Delete PayPal spiked 1,392% after the announcement. Some people were looking to pull their cash and personal data, and cancel their PayPal accounts. The company's executives have acknowledged that they were too upbeat about the ways that pandemic-era trends would carry through as the world reopened. Analysts had been feeling more optimistic about PayPal's prospects more recently thanks to the lowered bar. The automobile manufacturers Ford, and General Motors, GM, are taking a significant knock on Monday as a direct result of a downgrade issued by UBS. Both of these equities have been on a downward trend for many days and have dropped by more than 10% from their high point in the previous week. The fact that neither Ford nor General Motors has established a new 52-week low despite the recent sell-off is a positive development. Let's see whether Ford stock can close the gap at $12 and break over its 10-day moving average if it manages to pull off a rally from where it is now trading. If it manages to break over that level, General Motors might see a move to the $35 to $36 range. If the price of GM shares continues to fall, the bulls will be hoping that the support provided by this region holds. Polygon made the announcement today that its ZK public testnet has been released. This will let developers to test the implementation of privacy-enhancing ZK rollups in decentralized apps, DApps. The much-touted Layer 2 scaling solution claims to significantly improve the efficiency of the Ethereum blockchain by rolling up groups of transactions. This is one of the main selling points of the technology. Prominent decentralized file sharing programs like as Uniswap and Aave have already signed on. Smart contracts, developer tools, and wallets that have already been constructed on the Etherscan and Polygon blockchains will reportedly continue to function normally after the migration. The decentralized lending system TrueFi was unable to collect on a loan from Blockwater Technologies, who defaulted on the debt. The cryptocurrency investment company located in South Korea was not able to complete a payment on a loan of $3.4 million denominated in the stablecoin Binance USD, BUSD. On October 6, TrueFi sent Blockwater a notice of default over their payment arrangement. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, gained popularity in early 2021 with projects such as CryptoPunks and Bored Ape Yacht Club. NFT creators will need to outline the terms and conditions of how their artwork can and cannot be used by new owners. When an NFT is minted or sold, a smart contract will automatically execute the transfer of ownership. Most NFT creators restrict commercial use and include a license that only gives holders rights to use, copy and display the NFT. Owners should familiarize themselves with different types of licensing designations. There are many types of commercial and personal NFT licensing structures. Under a personal license, buyers can only use the NFT for non-commercial purposes. A commercial license allows a buyer to designate some rights to a buyer while still retaining ownership and control of the IP. There are a growing number of alternative licenses that NFT artists are using to designate usage rights to their artwork. In August, NFT Collective Proof switched the license of its Moonbird collection from commercial to CC0. The Creative Commons defines this license as any creative work in the worldwide public domain that has no copyright. Crypto venture capital firm A16Z released a collection of 6 licenses designed specifically for NFTs that are embedded on-chain and deployed through smart contracts. The Can't Be Evil licenses aim to help creators protect their IP and provide NFT holders with easy-to-understand rights. The dollar index, which tracks the greenback against a basket of 6 developed economy currencies, was up 0.12% at 112.92. The pound was in focus after the Bank of England said it will replace the emergency auctions of gilt purchases with new series of lending operations. The dollar was still supported by Friday's September labor market report from the US. Brent crude futures fell 69 cents, or 0.7%, to $97.23 a barrel by 1:11 p.m. EDT, 17:11 GMT. Oil prices also struggled under a strengthening US dollar, which rose for a 4th session. The prospect of tightening OPEC+ oil supplies limited declines in prices. Signs that Saudi Arabia would continue to serve Asian customers at full levels lowered expectations of cuts' impact. Saudi Aramco has told at least 7 customers in Asia they will receive full contract volumes of crude oil in November ahead of the peak winter season. OPEC+ decided last week to lower their output target by 2 million barrels per day. European Union endorsed a G7 plan to impose a price cap on Russian oil exports.